Bridget, we're out here drying off after we were playing in the duck pond, and I come over here and you're chowing down on a pine cone. Are you kidding me? What are we doing here? Is it good? I don't want any. I mean, maybe I do. You're kind of selling it. You trying to give some to Bella? Where did you learn to eat pine cone at? Folks, that will not have a recipe at plantbasedgabriel.com, but I'm sure if you look hard enough, you can find your own pine cone and chow down on it like Farmer Bridget Rose. I don't know. Well, Bridget, you're coming up with new recipes all the time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.